Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little transformation video for you guys. Today we are going to do a full transformation. So I'm about to shower, I'm gonna do some makeup, I'm gonna do my hair, and we're gonna have a fire fit today, and it's gonna be amazing. We definitely need a little bit of a pick-me-up today, so we're gonna look good. And I haven't made any TikToks in a while just because I've been doing a lot of makeup over half my face because I've been wearing a mask a lot. So today is the day where I get to do a full face again. I miss it so much. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna shower with my plant today because it needs a lot of moisture and like warm moisture. So I'm just gonna have it in my shower, or at least in my bathroom, so then that way it can, you know, get the essential nutrients and water that it needs, because it's starting to get a little bit brown in some places. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get into the video. I'm on FaceTime with Bricky while she watches me try to put this plant in the shower.
Are you turning the shower on, or like?
No, I'm just putting it in there so it can just be in my shower. Yes, I'm turning it off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in this corner since my door doesn't open that wide.
How long are you like planning to keep it there?
Well, my hot water doesn't last very long, especially like when it's cold out, because my tank isn't very big. So I'm literally gonna have to shower with it for it to get like the steam that it needs. Tell me this is not a vibe. This is such a weird vlog to film, but like...
Oh, wait, yeah.
Like, this straight up is a vibe.
I feel like some bougie hotel would have that.
I know. No, there's like so much space. I've always wanted eucalyptus to hang off of like my shower head, because like that's a vibe. But you know what? Why not have a ginormous corn plant in your shower? I'll give you guys my honest review on what I think it's like to shower with a corn plant. Okay, so I got out of the shower, obviously, and I grabbed some of the leftovers. So we have some mac and cheese and then a Thai crunch salad, and that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. I always try to make sure to eat before I like do my makeup or like get ready, so then that way I don't get like hungry half the way through and then end up hangry at the end of it. So I'm gonna have some food. I'm gonna kind of let my hair dry a little bit, and then I will start doing my makeup and get ready. I also wanted to let my skincare like sink into my skin so it could absorb it. So yeah, Aspen and I are about to have some lunch and then watch some YouTube or like Christmas movies, and then we'll get started. On testing. Okay, so I'm in my robe now. I had my lunch. It was delicious. Thank you for asking. And I'm gonna start my makeup. So today I think I'm gonna do a red look because I really want to try the Dragun Beauty red lip that I have. So yeah, and red is, you can never go wrong with a red when you're trying to be bold. And I want to do a little bold look since it's been a minute that I've done a full face, so I'm excited. What I'm gonna do is do a really natural winged eyeliner look for my eyes, and I'm gonna have some lashes, and then I'm gonna do my bold red lip. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because you guys have seen me do them like a million times, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and my eyebrows are filled in, so let's get started on the eyes. So I'm using the P. Louise base in Rumor 2 as an eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to start with doing one of my eyes and doing that one the whole way through. That way you don't have to watch me do two of my eyes or both of my eyes, either way. And I'm taking the M335 brush from Morphe, and I'm just patting the P. Louise base around my eye to really set it in and blend it in as well. I really like to make sure to get it in the corner, that way anything like my later on my highlight will stick to it as well. For this look today, I'm using the Morphe X Madison Beer palette because it does have beautiful neutral tones that we get to pick from today. So to start with, I'm going to be taking here this brown shade, and I'm just going to take a Morphe M513 blending brush, and I'm going to pat that shade onto my lid. That way I can make sure that I am really getting the lid color on there and it's sticking to that base. And then once I have that patted on all over my lid, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Just like that, all beautiful and blended. So next I'm going to be taking a little bit of this gold shimmer that's right under that brown. So I'm just taking the Fenty Beauty, it's like a packing brush, and I'm going to take that gold shade and I'm just going to apply a light layer of it on my lid. So now, because I want this eye look to be super simple so that the bold red will stand out and it's not too much going on my face, I'm just going to keep it with those two shades, and then I'm going to grab a black liner from Kylie Cosmetics, the Kai Liner one, and I'm going to do a winged eye. And then with my eyeliner, I do want to do that foxed eye look, but I'm not going to be able to put it on until after I have all like the highlights on and stuff and like my full face. That way the eyeliner won't mess with any concealer or anything else that I put on. So next, what I'm going to do is pop on some lashes. I'm going to go with the Morphe lashes in the style Seductress. So then once my lashes are curled, I'm going to grab the Morphe mascara primer. And it's super blue, and I'm just gonna coat that through my lashes. Honestly, I want to use this as a mascara one day because it's a really pretty shade of blue. And then I'm gonna use the Caution Hourglass mascara. The lid, you kind of have to like fight open. And I'm just gonna run that through my lashes. So I'm gonna take the Duo Glue in the green one, and I'm just gonna run that along the band of the lashes. And then I'm gonna let that get tacky. I like to apply the lash using tweezers, and I like to put it right on the base of my lash line. We have one eye all completed for the most part. I will be adding some of the Fox Eye eyeliner, and then of course some under eyeshadow and some under lash mascara, but I always wait to do that until after I have my full face on. That way I'm not making it harder to put concealer or foundation or any powders down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and I will be right back to show you guys how I'm gonna do my face and my lips for this look. Okay, I am back. I did my other eye off camera, so let's get started with the face. First, I'm going to dip into the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and apply that all over my face. I really like this primer because it's really sticky, and the ingredients in it are also really good for you. Another thing is that I've tried to get the Milk Hydro Grip setting spray, and I've gone to Sephora multiple times to try to find it, but I cannot find it. So I'm like, is it in store only? But then I see people and they're like, yeah, I got it from Sephora, and I'm like, what Sephora are you going to? Because I cannot find it at any of mine for the life of me. So yeah, that's my issue, because I really want to try it out. I've heard really good things about the Hydro Grip setting spray. And then for foundation today, I am using, you guessed it, the Rare Beauty foundation. I'm just gonna apply it to the bottom of this spatula. And I'm grabbing the Rare Beauty face brush, and I'm just going to, oh my gosh, this feels so like exciting to be able to like put it on my whole face. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I missed doing my whole face. It got boring pretty quick to apply it just to my eyes because I love doing my face. And I really didn't like it for Beauty Alyssa Rose because I noticed like it's hard to like make a connection with your audience for a makeup look when you're only showing your eyes and you're doing that for like a ton of pictures in a row. At least for me, just because I like showing like complexion side of makeup a lot, because I really love that side of makeup as well, not just like the creative eye looks. So it was definitely pretty hard just to do my eyes and to be constantly posting that. So I'm excited to get back in the game for doing the whole face. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I'm going to apply that under my eyes. A few dots, little bit on the side. In with my nose, on my forehead, and on the base of my chin. Whoa, it feels so weird to like put concealer all over my face again. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Morphe M449 brush to blend out this concealer, especially on those bigger parts, and then I'll go in using the Rare Beauty concealer in my inner corner or any tight areas. Or the Rare Beauty concealer brush. So for those harder to reach inner corners, I'm gonna grab the Rare Beauty concealer brush, and it just helps to be able to blend it out in the inner corner. I'm gonna grab the Airspun loose face powder, and I'm just going to apply this in my T-zone. So on my chin, under my eyes, in the corner of my nose because it can get oily there sometimes. On my forehead. I'm gonna sip a little drink break. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs bronzer for my bronzer today. If you guys want a really good dupe for this, Morphe has these really amazing dupes. It's literally about the same size as this pan too, so you definitely get a lot of bang for your buck, and they're amazing. So go get yourself some good dupes for the Marc Jacobs bronzer. So I'm going to use a Morphe brush, and I'm just going to dip it into it, and I'm just going to blend the bronzer on the higher ends of my cheeks just because we don't want to droop the face down. You know, we want to carve out that jawline, we really do. For blush today, I'm using the Morphe X Maddie Ziegler blush in Pinky Swear, and I'm using the Jaclyn J01 brush. Even though this is a highlighting brush, I swear by this brush for blush. It's so cute. It's very like delicate, so it helps it keep the look really natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like pat Pinky Swear into the high point of my cheek. That way it lifts the face rather than drags it down. So next we're gonna apply some highlight. For highlighter today, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Let me grab, I'm using the JH09 highlighting brush. I'm just gonna gently pop that on the tops of my cheekbones. This highlight is so blinding, I love it. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush to get it into the tight points of my face, so on my nose, in my inner corner, and on my brow bone. So in order to finish up my eyes, I'm going to do the same brown that I did on my lid, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going back in with the eyeliner, and I'm going to do the little fox eye look. So then once I have that little fox eye on the inner corner, I'm going to apply lower lash mascara, and I'm going to apply it really heavily so that it's bold and you know my lower lashes are there. Now that I have my eyes and my face done, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face using the Morphe X Madison Beer setting spray. And this has a strong spray, so I'm just going to go ahead and really pull back. And I kind of spray it above my face. That way it like kind of like lays down onto it perfectly. Now before I apply the Dragun Beauty red lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and give my lips a little plump. So I'm gonna grab the Nabla Viper Lip Plumper, and I have yet to try this, so I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. I'm applying it. Okay, I will be right back when my lips are plumped and ready to go and we can apply the Dragun Beauty lipstick. I think we're ready for, like, I think it's done all of the plumping it's gonna do. So I went ahead and took most of it off. It definitely did some plumping and it definitely did some burn-in. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Dragun Beauty. So I really like that the applicator makes it super easy to get a straight line with this. The red lip is on. And then we have one more step before we're done, and it is to go in with the Nikita Dragun Beauty Pressed Powder. And I'm going to use the Morphe Y11 brush, and I'm going into the yellow one. I do have a yellow undertone in my skin, so I'm going in with the yellow shade down here. And I'm just going to apply that on my forehead. My chin. Under my eyes. Okay, babes, that is the makeup look for this transformation. So I'm gonna go ahead and shift us into the bathroom and we'll start curling our hair. Okay, so I am in my bathroom now and I'm so obsessed with this red lip. It's such like a pretty pink red. Like, you know when there's reds when it's like really dark? I feel like this matches like my skin tone and like my eyes and my hair really well. So honestly, 10 out of 10 on this lip. It's gorgeous. I already sectioned off my hair and I'm gonna use a 1.5 inch curl barrel. I got this one off of Amazon because it comes with like a ton of different other ones as well. And I'm letting it heat up right now, but right now I'm just gonna curl the bottom part. Normally it takes me hella long to curl my hair, so I'm hoping it won't take me as long since I can take bigger chunks with this bigger barrel. Okay, I was jamming out, but I paused my music because I didn't want copyright. So what I did was I curled one strand and then I pinned it up so that it'll hold its shape. My hair is literally stick straight, like as soon as I get out of the shower. It does not hold curls very well, so yeah, I'm pinning it up, seeing if that'll help. I don't know, we'll see, wish me luck. Okay, so I finished curling my hair and it took me 45 minutes. And I know to some people that may be like, whoa, 45 minutes to curl your hair, like that's so long. It used to take me 2 hours to curl my hair. So the fact that I did this in 45 minutes is actually like pff, to me, because that's really fast. Still, I just sprayed a ton of hairspray in it, so I'm waiting a few minutes and then I'm gonna like shake it out, you know, and make it look a lot softer than this, because this is definitely very like hard and separated. So I'm gonna run my fingers through it in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna go pick out an outfit in the meantime, and then we will have our full transformation complete. Okay, I am literally blasting music and I wish I could like have a little like dance sesh with you guys, but I'm so mad that copyright is like a thing, because that would have been really fun. But I was gonna put on like a super trendy, like, you know, outfit. And then my mom pulled out this dress and I was like, can I just get a moment for the dress? Like, I'm gonna put on my jewelry in a sec, but can I please get some commotion for this dress? Oh my gosh. This makes me so sad. Like, I'm this dressed up with absolutely nowhere to go. This makes me miss going out, because it's like, if we were to wear a red lip, this would literally be what you see. The transformation, immaculate. Immaculate, oh my gosh. This is the final transformation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night, and I highly recommend doing like a full transformation, getting all dressed up, even if you're not going anywhere, because like this was the confidence boost that I needed recently of not being able to do a full face of makeup. And I know it might not be the same for some people, but like makeup is a passion of mine, so this is definitely something that makes me happy and keeps me going throughout the day. So I recommend doing that. Doing the full hour transformation, get your confidence back, girl. Or if it's something else that makes you happy, do that and get your confidence back that way. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. I will have all the products and all my socials linked down below in the description as well. And I hope you guys have a lovely evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.